What's up, my bosses? How you all doing in bosses land? I have a treat for you all today. Like I told y'all, I was going to take this channel into a different direction. Well, not really different. I just wanted to add on the beauty and the fashion part of this channel. So today I have a treat. I have my esthetician here, honey, and guess where we are? Let me show y'all. We are at the infamous, honey, Sephora. Yes. So I'm going to introduce my esthetician, Jade, and let her tell you all a little bit about herself, and we will get into it.
Hey bosses, my name is Jade. I am the owner of Oh Honey Glow Holistic and Healing Spa. I am also a holistic and energetic esthetician. Today I'm coming to you as a licensed esthetician for my people who maybe you are beginning your skincare journey, and congratulations, it's a beautiful and transformative experience here. Or if you're someone who maybe you can't afford a facial, or maybe that you can't find a local esthetician, I'm here just to talk to you about just the starter pack of starting your skincare journey. What are your basic things to look for? How to find a product that's right for you. Also talking about the skin types and skin textures today. And we're going to also tell you what are some good top faves for Sephora that are good just for starting people like you to get started today.
All right, bosses, you heard my girl. She's going to hook you up with the necessary information you all need to do your skincare and make sure that you're getting the nourishment and just keeping that big organ, because it is an organ, right, Jade?
Yes, it is.
Keeping it as healthy as possible and just beautiful. So the reason why I wanted to start this series, because I noticed that as I'm shopping in Sephora, look, we are all social media addicts, right? And we know that things blow up on social media, and that's just where we are, right? You know, learn about things and how we grasp concepts. We grasp it all on Instagram. We grasp it all on YouTube. We grasp it all on TikTok. With that, our younger generation is very drawn to that because that's where they are. And I noticed that as I shop in Sephora, I've been seeing like a lot of young girls coming in the store, purchasing the items that are trending, the items that are just like the masses are gravitating to, and they don't really understand the science behind skincare, especially with their young skin. But this video is for all ages. Regardless of your age or where you are on the age spectrum, we have a due diligence to ourselves, part of self-care, y'all, just to make sure we're getting the necessary information we need so that we can have the healthiest skin possible and just walk in our natural, radiant, God-given beauty, okay? So that's why I decided to collaborate with my esthetician so that we can go in Sephora, because, honey, we all know, honey, Sephora is the beauty mecca right now, and I ain't mad at it. I live in here as well. I wanted to have her to accompany me today to help educate you all, as well as myself, on brands that we can purchase while we're here in Sephora that would not only benefit our pockets, but also benefit our skincare. So we're going to do a high-level review of the skin types and skin texture. There is a difference. There's a difference between skin type and skin texture. Also, bosses, this is not just for my girls, okay? This video is for my male bosses as well. Guy bosses, this video is for you all as well. Jade said something yesterday when she and I were collaborating. We were just talking about what we wanted to discuss today, and it was so profound. She said that skin knows no gender. I'm going to say that again. Skin knows no gender. So this video, skincare is skincare. Skincare is loving your skin, caring for your skin. It's exactly what it says. So as we go into Sephora, we're going to look at some products, as I stated, and my girl Jade is going to educate us on, again, the different types of skin textures, the skin types, as well as what products she feels as a licensed esthetician, because I know how y'all bosses do over here, honey. Y'all got to see receipts when I bring people on here. Y'all want to make sure that they're valid. And as you all know, head boss will never bring anyone on her channel does not have the credentials to match what they're saying. So she is definitely a specialist. This is her lane. This is her profession. She's been doing my skin for what, 4 years, 5 years? A long time. And your girl has lovely skin, honey. I love my skin, and she's been doing a great job helping me keep it up. So with all that being said, let's head on into Sephora.
All right, bosses, let's explore the beauty of Sephora. So we are currently in Sephora in my favorite section, the skincare section. And I'm going to tell you just a little bit about the different skin types. So there is plenty of different skin types, but the top one is your normal to dry, your normal to oily, your combo, and also your sensitive skin. So the difference between it is that with your normal to dry skin, when your skin is dehydrated, how your skin reacts is that your skin is very tight, it's very dry, it's very flaky. Versus when someone who has normal to oily skin, when your skin is dehydrated, your skin starts to overproduce excess oils because it is trying to find the oil to basically complement and also to balance your oil production. But it is smart because that it knows that it needs that moisture, so it starts producing more oils. But it's not that smart because it is literally the same oils that is already on your skin. So what you have to do is you have to put the oil back into your skin. You have to put the vitamins, the minerals, and nutrients back into your skin for it to balance out where it doesn't go into overproduction mode. So for my normal to oily babes, oil is not bad on the skin. It's the excess oil that is the big cause of it. And I will, again, in this video, show you some products that will help to balance out your skin's pH for you. Now let's talk about my combo skin girls. My combo skin girls is tough because you're a little bit of both.
You're a little dry here, you're a little oily here.
And it's tough to find a product that just balances both of those out. So when it comes to combination, it's a little bit of both. So it's a little tricky to find what products are for you, but this is why we are going over this later in the video. And then for my sensitive babes, you guys normally show up as maybe your skin's a little red, it gets a little bit irritated, you can't really take on a lot of products that have any harsh products. There's a lot of different factors that come into sensitive skin. It could be inflammation, it could be weak barriers, it could also be genetics too, and it can be an internal aspect that's going on that making your skin to show up in this sensitive state. So we are going to tell you some products that will help to basically help with any type of inflammation that you're having and sensitivity as well. That would be good for you. So come on, Dad. So first stop off, we are in the topical section. This is one of my favorite brands when it comes to Sephora. I have a lot of different products, but we are going to touch base on two products that I highly recommend to get from topicals. This one here is the Dark Spot Serum. Now I know that you guys heard about this before. It's a brightening and clearing serum. I recommend it because if it's for anybody who has hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, even people who do have melasma from starter pack, this is definitely going to help with lightening up the area. Now, what I tell my clients, a little tip that I'm going to give to you for the free 99 is that anytime when you are looking for a product, marketing's on the front, no information is on the back. Let me say it again. Marketing is on the front, your information is on the back. So anytime you look at a product and you're picking it out, you want to go straight to the ingredients section, and this will tell you if this product is really standing on business. Okay, so with this product, how we know it's standing on business is because here it says that it does have niacinamide, which is good for pore size. We love that. It also here says that it does have some shea butter and jojoba seed oil, which is going to good with nourishing the skin for you. And then also here to have our brighteners in here, we have our alpha-2in, which we love. We also here have azalea acid, which we like, and we also have turmeric, which is to just name a fruit. All of those three ingredients have brightening agents in it that's going to lighten up the area. But what I would say, guys, is if you are going to use a brightener, make sure that you do pair it with a sunscreen, which I am going to tell you later on in the video that will absolutely complement this product for you. Now the second topical, which is like probably top one, and you can tell it's top one because, ladies, it's not even the store. It's completely sold out. It is the brightening eye mask. Girls, I know the girlies have seen it all over TikTok and Instagram. If you see those cute little pink and dark pink eye patches, lady, it is definitely topicals. I love those eye pads because they are great for darkening up the eyes. It hydrates and it also plumps the skin for you. So if you are ever in Sephora, call in advance to make sure that it's there because it sells out really fast. So let's take you to the next brand that I recommend for you guys. Come on. Hey bosses, so it is summertime and we are in the middle of July. So of course I cannot forget to tell you what's a good sunscreen here at Sephora to protect your skin, especially if you're gonna pair it with that topical fade cream that we talked about earlier. We're talking about the one and only Supergoop. As a licensed esthetician, Supergoop is one of my favorite type of sunscreens for many reasons. But today I'm gonna tell you about one skincare product from Supergoop that I absolutely rave, and here is why. So we are going to talk about the Mineral Unseen sunscreen. This is a SPF 40, and there's plenty of reasons why I like this. So ladies, let's start with the fact that, again, it says unseen, and it is really true on the unseen part. I used this hand earlier and today, and as you can see here, no white cast. Absolutely love it. For office patrons, this is another sunscreen that you can use that you won't have to look like a ghost. But the main reason why I like this sunscreen out of all the sunscreens is because, again, you got to look on the back of the box for your information. The key here is when you're looking for a sunscreen, you want to find a sunscreen that has these two ingredients in it. One is zinc oxide and the other one is titanium. If they have either one or both of these ingredients in the skincare product, then that means that it has full coverage. Even if it does not say it on the front, which is your marketing, always look on the back, look at the ingredients. It has full coverage. Now, what do I mean when I say full coverage? When I'm talking about full coverage, we're talking about protecting your skin from UVA and UVB rays. Now, the difference is with UVA and UVB rays, not only are you protecting your skin from your skin getting sunburned, from aging, but a lot of things that a lot of people don't talk about is the ray that gives your skin cancer. Skin cancer is the only cancer that you can actually prevent, so you want to make sure that you are using a SPF that has both UVA, UVB ray protection in it. So remember guys, zinc oxide and titanium. Or you can just go right to Sephora and you get you the Supergoop Unseen Mineral Sunscreen for your full protection.
So as you guys can see, my girl Jada is behind me doing her thing. She is looking at the products. She's looking at the ingredients that are in the product so that she can properly educate you all on what is the best product for your skin. I just want to say, I hope you all are enjoying this video and all of the good, juicy information that Jade is giving you all. When I say this is a bossdom, I mean just that. A true boss is a person who gets all of the necessary information and all of the correct information that they need in order for them to be their best selves and move through life in excellence. And that is why I decided to bring my esthetician, who I have trusted with my skincare for the past 5 years, here to Sephora, because we know this is where the girls are congregating. This is where social media is just leading everyone. We know that Sephora, again, is the beauty mecca right now. And we just want to make sure that when you come through those doors, that you are getting the products that best suits your skin and not just getting what is trending. So if y'all are liking this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. And let us know what other videos you all would like for us to collaborate on and bring to you all. Because again, I'm here for you all, and we're here for the bosses. All right, my bosses. So we are at the end of the part 1 of our skincare with our licensed esthetician Jade. And let's head over to part 2. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.